I had no idea.
Damn, mighty straight up.
Okay, step one. Take this, open it, pour it out. We don't want that, we don't need that. But, you know, I'm watering my plant at the same time, guys, so. Yeah.
This part is very important. I already made the mistake so that you don't have to. When you're wrapping your label, make sure to pay attention to the corners. I'm pointing at them right here. Pay very close attention. You don't want too much excess saran wrap because then you'll be ironing forever. When I tell you I was ironing forever, you're not even going to see because I'm going to speed it up. But if only you knew. If only you really truly knew how long I was sitting here ironing this. I wanted to keep going just to make sure that it was stuck to the t-shirt. You have to pay very close attention to the corners because this is how you're making it stick to the t-shirt. So it's very important. Here, I'm just really trying to make sure that it's flat. Like, I don't want no bubbles. I don't want no problems, okay? You don't want too much,
I don't think I need all that.
but just enough to still cover up the label or the photo, whatever. You can literally put whatever you want on this t-shirt. This was just an example, and I was making it for my little cousin. She likes name brand stuff. I would never pay for it, not at her little age, but yeah, just keep watching. Even that is too much excess saran wrap. So here you can see I'm folding it over, trying to make it do what it do while I can. At the same time, you're still going to continue smoothing out those bubbles so you don't iron it on there. I'm pretty sure it won't look bad either way. Just keep watching.
But plug it up. It should have been more. Come on, ah! This is cute, so I just felt like this is a cute picture. So, you know, somebody can screenshot it if you like. Because, you know, I don't know.
Mind you, I only cut the parchment paper this large because I'm doing another t-shirt video for myself. And I think that will be really cute, but you know, who cares? We're just trying stuff. So go ahead and iron for 24 hours.
No steam, guys. I don't know why I'm scared.
I'm sure you can iron it however you want to. You don't have to follow me like exact, but I feel like for the most part this worked out really well with my gliding, sliding, and lifting up technique. But then afterwards I kind of just, you know, let it sit on there so that I know for sure it's melting the saran wrap. But do as you please, just try it out. That's why it's called a DIY. Do it yourself how you want to do it, but definitely do that part like slow motion because it's sped up a little bit for the video, but definitely take your time when you're doing this part. Okay, back to the video.
I just want you guys to know I had this bag since I was in high school, and it's just now, give you a closer look, it's just now starting to like peel off at the edge. I didn't make this the same way. So this wasn't the same DIY. I actually did have paper where it was meant to copy and transfer. I had transfer paper. So just so that you do know, stuff does hold up. I do carry stuff in that bag. I travel with it whenever I come home to see my poo, of course, and to let her know that she's loved. I love you, Japan. More than words can explain. So back to her t-shirt. Actually, I'm scared. Like, I just don't feel like it's ready. Hit the corners one more time, guys. Okay. Could have slayed better. It's on her shirt. It's there. It's not that good. But we're going to move on to the next one.
If I was doing it a second time, I would move the photo higher, and I would also let it sit after I got done with the ironing part. Just let it sit, let it dry, and if you need to fix anything, fix it. So I would consider that a fail, but the picture is stuck to the t-shirt, so technically it's not a fail. What do you guys think? This time around, I fixed every problem that I made last time, and everything's time-lapse now because I think I know what I'm doing, and I think y'all know what y'all doing, so I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the time-lapse. The only things that I did differently was I used double parchment paper because I almost burnt the last t-shirt or the last logo, and I could have let it sit longer. This one was way more flat, way more intact with the t-shirt. I'm gonna show you side views at the end, so yeah, just wait for the reveal. I like time-lapse, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch and listen to some music. Also, I'm so scared of copyright on YouTube, so I get my beats made personally, or any background music I get made. So if you guys want that, I'll leave that link in the description to the person that makes my beats. I won't gatekeep, even though I want to.
So here it is. It's really not. It's just a t-shirt. Like, it's a graphic tee. It was a plain t-shirt. Now it's just not. It's that simple.